Attorney General Githu Muigai and Deputy Speaker Farah Maalim forestalled what had threatened to be another face-off over laws passed by Parliament. Garsen MP Danson Mungatana had alerted the House to the mistake in the Elections Act.
The words not, the word presidential, the word deputy presidential were added to my amendment, which I moved in this House at the committee stage, and the effect of which is to completely negate the amendment that I passed.
Maalim ruled there was only one error.
It is not true that the words presidential and deputy presidential were inserted elsewhere into a law passed by Parliament. These words were inserted by the House itself on a motion by the very same Honorable Mungatana. It is also not true that the word not was inserted into the act by outside forces. This word was in the elections bill as it was presented before the House. And while the House passed an amendment deleting it, the word was not deleted in the course of the preparation of the draft act.
MPs had demanded action on the government printer, but Maalim attributed the mistake to an oversight by the Attorney General's office and the clerk of the National Assembly.
The Attorney General has moved with expedition to invoke the powers conferred upon him by Section 13 of the Revision of Laws Act and has issued a rectification order deleting the word not in Section 34(9) of the Elections Bill.
Mr. Speaker, from your ruling, which I do respect a lot, it appears you have given a window to allow people to use the excuse, Mr. Speaker, of human error.
The Commission for the Implementation of the Constitution, CIC, and a section of the civil society raised the alarm in August this year when MPs rushed to pass over 15 laws in less than 2 weeks to beat the August 27th constitutional deadline. Maalim now wants an audit of all the laws they rushed through.
The clerk of the National Assembly is directed to liaise with the Office of the Attorney General and other appropriate offices and scrutinize all relevant documentation and published acts to ensure that no other errors are contained in the published acts.
Had it gone unnoticed, the single word error in the Elections Act would have locked out all presidential candidates and their running mates from being nominated to Parliament from the political party lists, something the MPs had bitterly opposed. No, otieno, KTN Prime.